Greetings. Check out Ziteboard.com. It's a very cool online whiteboard, and this is Ziteboard cool thing number 2. Mirrored online whiteboard. What does that mean? Let's check it out. Let's move this browser over and put it on that side. And you'll see I've already logged in. You can see I've got 2 users here. Here's one user, here's another user. So I click on this icon down here, and down here it says mirror view. So when I click on mirror view, what happens on this side is going to happen over here. So let's just go ahead and move some text. Or let's move the board rather. You can see it's moving over there. So let's move this around, and you can see my board is now moving around. And let's zoom out, and you see that it zooms out over there as well, just like that. Now this user, when they begin drawing something, it shows up there as well. But when they move, what happens? Look at that. They also move this board over here. So that's mirrored online whiteboard, Ziteboard cool thing number 2. Check it out. Super cool.